Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Wow. How are you doing? Anyway, taking koko kin now. Any gidi pataki. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for following us. And if you're new here, we say you're welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Analysis mi lórí ẹ̀ nígbà tí gbogbo yín ti dé. Ẹ máa gbọ́ mi o. Here is the truth about the case between Lizzy Anjorin and Mr. Ibile ní ìlú Ilorin, 12th day of March 2025. Reports on the direct criminal complaint against Lizzy Anjorin matter was called. The defendant was absent at the beginning. A.M. Abdurrahman represents appearing with Rockoi. Mo sorry o tí n bá porúkọ yín dáadáa. Ọ̀dọ̀fin Mrs. B.I. Gibo, Mrs. and Chima Obiza appearing for the complainants. Professor Y.O. Abdulhamid appearing with A. Abdulkarim, I.M. Adedo, Taufik Olateju, Adeola Olaniran, and Abdulrasheed Abdul for the defendants through cross complainant. Mr. Abdulrahim Ombakotoro. The court is slated for mention. However, the defendant is not present in the court, which shows the sign of disrespect to this honorable court. In view of our disrespect to this court, we humbly apply for a bench warrant against the defendant. Professor Abdul Ahmed ló sọ̀rọ̀ sí, Your Honor, sir. The attendance of the defendants is not compulsory at this stage because we filed our preliminary objection to the complaint, and where such happens, the attendance of the defendants might not be necessary. A.M. Abdurrahim ló sọ̀rọ̀ sí. The learned professor has misconstrued the law. The matter is slated for mention and not for hearing of preliminary objection, and such the learned professor is misleading the court. I believe the defendant counsel engineer absence, which indirectly telling that the court has nothing to do, even the defendant is not absent. The court ló sọ̀rọ̀ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Where is the defendant? Asking professor. The judge questioned the absence of the defendant and angrily said it is a disrespect to the court, and as such, issuing bench warrant is a must. On the verge of writing the ruling for bench warrants, the AG, Attorney General, entered the court and applied to enter a nolle and discontinue the matter by the power conferred on him by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Discontinue the matter. The court angrily told AG that although it is your constitutional power conferred on you by the Constitution, but we cannot allow anyone to disrespect our court. If the defendant does not appear, he will not attend to any submission. Professor, however, prayed to stand down to provide the defendant. The defendant eventually showed up with a mask covering her face. The court angrily asked her to remove all what she put around her face and warned her that God save her. She would have understood that court is not in respect of anybody, and she was eventually dogged. But the court said since it is a constitutional power of the Attorney General, there is nothing they could rather than to terminate the complaint. The complaint eventually terminated. But the complaint eventually terminated. The cross complaint was withdrawn as well. The case will continue. This was just Baulari. The case will continue as the Attorney General was allegedly wrongly informed by the person that put a call through to him about the actual fact of the case. Now, my analysis. First of all, what is a bench warrant? A bench warrant is a summons issued by a judge or court directing police to arrest someone for either contempt of court or failing to appear in court as required, such as failing to attend a scheduled court date after being bailed. Ẹjọ́, ṣé èèyàn kankan wà bailed ní bíbáyìí? Now, tó bá jẹ́ pé up till the last paragraph of what I have read out, Lizzy Anjorin was not in court, so kò mọ àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn lọ́yẹ̀ náà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa brief ẹ̀. Lọ́yẹ̀ bóyá wà ń ta tí lọ́yẹ̀ wá pè wọlé. Normally tí wọ́n bá gbẹ́jọ́ lọ sí court, tí kì í dẹ̀ ṣe ẹjọ́ pé mo nàyàn ẹ̀jẹ̀ jáde, tó jẹ́ pé ẹjọ́ pé defamation of character or bóyá àwọn yẹn paint as a criminal something or something like that. Bá ṣe rí ẹjọ́ yìí ń sìn, ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé àwọn kan lọ sásábẹ́ AG, Attorney General of Attorney General of the Commissioner for Attorney of Justice, Attorney General, wọ́n lọ sásábẹ́, wọ́n gbẹ́jọ́ ẹ̀ lọ sí court. Nígbà tí bàbá wá rí ẹ torí àwọn evidences lọ́tùlọ́sí, bàbá fúnra rẹ̀ ló wá sí court tó sọ pé ẹjọ́ yìí ò ń ṣẹjọ́ prosecution mọ́. You understand? So ní gbogbo case yẹn, bí professor ṣe sọ wípé náà kò ń ṣe dandan kí defendant wà ní court, báwọn ṣe mọ̀ pé àwa ò sí ń bẹ̀. Ẹni tó dẹ̀ ń report yìí is not reporting for the court, is reporting for ẹni tó the complainant. So ó máa ro oko sí side the complainant pé wọ́n fẹ́ issue bench warrant, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kìnnìkan àti pé òun fúnra rẹ̀ ó lè má mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ court, kókò jẹ́ novice bíi tèmi àti ti ẹ̀yin. But the fact remains that the case was terminated not by the judge but by the Attorney General. By the Attorney General. That case here was terminated, and so if the case has been terminated by the Attorney General, tó sọ pé àwọn ò ṣẹjọ́ mọ́ àti pẹjọ́ ìrẹ́, dandan ni náà ni pé Lizzy Anjorin kó withdraw cross complaint wọn. Èmi ò rí tó wá ń gbé káàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé irọ́ ni Lizzy wá pa lánàá fún wa. Àwọn gan ló wá parọ́. Torí ta lẹ́mọ̀ tó put call through sí Attorney General. Ṣé Attorney General ló sọ yí pé wọ́n put call through òun ni? Ẹ máa fi alleged, ẹ wá ti wá reward allegedly yẹn láti máa fi pa irọ́ oríṣiríṣi. Ẹ wá máa lo word yẹn láti máa fi pa irọ́ oríṣiríṣi. Ṣé orí IG ẹ fẹ́ sẹ́ pé kò wà intelligent enough àbí kò wà sensible enough láti mọ̀ yìí pé case táwọn gbé lọ sí court yìí o, nígbà kan rí àwọn other facts o, àwọn láti quickly káwọn lọ withdraw ẹ̀. Òun ni the issue of the nolle yẹn. What is a nolle? What is a nolle? It is a legal term that is used, which is meaning I am unwilling to prosecute. So if the Attorney General issued a nolle, the Attorney General is saying I am unwilling to prosecute, to go further with the case. I voluntarily dismiss the criminal case before the trial or verdict. So the Attorney General, who is the Commissioner for Justice of Kwara State, entered the court and provided a nolle saying, as the Attorney General and the Commissioner for Justice in Kwara State Nigeria, a state in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I am unwilling to prosecute or I voluntarily dismiss this criminal case before a trial or a verdict. And so, ẹ tún wá bọ́ síta, ẹ wá kọ sábẹ́ ipe the case will continue as the person that puts the call through. How did you know? So kẹ́ máa wo àwọn manipulative skill. Wọ́n gbé jáde ńsìn torí pé wọ́n feel pé kí wá máa bọ́ síta ká máa ṣe analysis àwọn nǹkan tá a bá ti rí. A kàn máa fojú fò ni. Mo kàn máa ń wò ń gbà mí, màá kàn kà nǹkan mi gbà mí, màá kàn pé wo àwọn wọ̀nyí rò pé àwọn akúrí lọ́wọ́ ń bá wí. But eléyìí mo wá síta láti wá sọ fún wọn pé mi ò sí nínú akúrí, àwọn warriors ò dẹ̀ sí nínú akúrí, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó ń parọ́ bí ju ẹ̀yin lọ. And what are you telling us about the Attorney General, a whole Attorney General, a whole Commissioner for Justice in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in a state that values its law and its citizen? You know? So, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má wá fún wa ní kíní ní bíbá yìí. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ lánàá. In fact, òun ló sọ nǹkan tó wọ́gbọ́n lórí jù. This your right up tẹ́ ń gbé kiri ẹ̀yin opposition, ẹ̀yin complainant tẹ́ ń gbé kiri. Ó wà baseless. Ó show pé ẹ̀yin gangan ẹ ti shoot ara yín lẹ́sẹ̀. Even with the last paragraph. You understand? Àwọn òun ṣakúrí o. A lọ sílé ìwé, a kàwé. You are just being pained. So thank you everybody. Mi ní nǹkan kan sọ jù yẹn lọ láti wá sọ fún yín pé ohun tí Lizzy sọ fún wa lánàá yẹn was the correct version of what happened in court. You as the complainant, you were not there. She is the defendant, she was there. She might not be there at the beginning of the proceeding because our lawyers had told her or our crew had told her that it's not necessary for her to be there. But at least Anjorin, as somebody that she is, she hung around the premises of the court. And so when our crew said, oh yeah, come inside, it was just like a magic to the complainant's crew. Torí pé wọ́n rò pé níṣẹ́jú akàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Èkó sí Ìlọrin. So she has been there all along. She might not have entered the court, but she has been there. And secondly, no judge. Torí pé Ilorin gan is an Islamic state. Allegedly. Kẹ́mi náà lo word allegedly yẹn. Àwọn ẹlẹ́hàá pọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Kò sí court tí ẹlẹ́hàá máa wọlé. Tí wọ́n sọ pé even in the United Kingdom here, ẹlẹ́hàá ń wa mọ́tò. Wọ́n fi ẹ̀há wọ́n fi ń wa mọ́tò tó jẹ́ pé ojú wọn tí ń rí báyìí ló máa hàn bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ dé airport wọn ò ní kàn ṣí ojú. So no judge máa sọ pé ó yá gbọ́ gbogbo mask ojú ẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo kíní ojú ẹ̀. No. And no judge máa sọ pé Ọlọ́run yọ ẹ́ lónìí nígbà tí kì í ṣe Nollywood lọ́ọ̀yà ni wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀. These people are professional. Please don't paint them as being unprofessional. And that is what I come here to do this morning. Abomire, Adebimpe Alasoadura lórúkọ mi. Yeye Fiwa Sọ̀rọ̀. Jerusalem Pilgrim, and a nurse by profession. Any profession that is a profession of professionals, they always act professional at their place of work. And no judge will say, oh yeah, gbogbo kini ojú no. The judge can say, ṣẹlẹ̀ hani or okay, àtọ́bà jẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ́ ká rí ojú yín dáadáa. You know, something like that. Kì í ṣe pé ṣe wá kọ́ in a hungry way. The judge was hungry and said, remove all the mask. No way. We are not non-entities. We are not senseless persons or people. We are professional here. We are learned. We are educated. We look for wisdom and knowledge all over the place. All right? Thank you. God bless you all. Bye for now. Ẹ ṣé o gbogbo yín tẹ́ ti darapọ̀ mọ́ mi. Mount Zion. Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìgbà gbogbo ẹ kú ànáwọ́ sí ẹ ṣé gan ni God bless you.